The other day, I embarked on my routine grocery shopping journey at the nearby chain grocery store. Laden with 2 bulging carts of essentials, my lack of personal transportation meant I aimed to accomplish as much as possible in a single trip. Upon reaching the checkout counter, even before the first cart had been fully emptied, the digital display flashed a staggering total exceeding $200. Without a second glance, I continued unloading my items onto the conveyor belt. As I neared the conclusion of loading the second cart, the cashier unexpectedly paused the transaction, ostensibly to catch up with bagging and create additional space. In the midst of this pause, a changing of the guard occurred, as a new cashier replaced the original attendant. While the departing cashier had briefed the newcomer about the temporary halt in proceedings, the critical detail slipped from the latter's memory. Oblivious to the paused transaction, she commenced scanning the remaining groceries as if initiating a new transaction. Witnessing this oversight unfold before me, I hesitated to intervene. Consequently, when the transaction concluded, I found myself presented with a shockingly reduced bill of only $98 for the abundance of items spanning 2 overflowing carts. While the significant monetary reprieve was undeniably welcomed, it was accompanied by a nagging sense of concern. I couldn't shake the worry that my windfall may have inadvertently jeopardized the livelihood of the forgetful cashier, perhaps resulting in disciplinary action or even termination.